Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on AutoCAD basics. Today we are going to draw another example. This is the image, so let's go to the video. Alright, this is the sketch we are going to draw today. To draw this, first we have to draw our center lines. Let's begin. For that, first we have to choose the center line layer, that is CL. Click that, and then take our line tool. And in the sheet you can draw, I'll draw here, and then shift and hold and release it. Sorry. Or you can give the angle minus 90. Sorry. You can use shift. Okay, then you can draw another line, horizontal line. For that, again shift, the angle is 0, and you can leave it here. Okay, this is the center lines shown in here. Now use the offset method for draw other center lines. For that, I'm going to draw these center lines here, these center lines. For that, this vertical center line is located 76 distance from here, from here. For that, I click offset and hit enter. Then I choose this line and I will enter 76. Okay, 76. Then this horizontal center line is located from here 63. For that, I'll select this and 63. Okay, here. Then I'm going to exit from the offset tool, and I'm going to exit this line distance. Okay, something like this. Okay, then again this to here, to here. Okay, Control Z, and then I'm going to draw this center lines. For that, this vertical center line is located from here in 25 millimeters. For that, I'm going to again to offset and hit enter, select my vertical center line, and in 25 it will offset, and the horizontal line is located at 53. For that, again I'm going to select this and type 53, hit enter. Okay, then again I will exit from my offset tool, and then exceed this line to here. You can select shift to align with that. Okay, and then like this. Okay, again shift again, use shift and something like this. Okay, and exit. So now we have created our center lines. And another thing, how to change this gap between the spaces in the center lines. For that, in the command line you can type something like LTS. Yes, LTS. You can type LTS and hit enter. Now you will see something like 0.3 that is used. That is the value I am using, but in your software maybe the value is near to 1 maybe. Let's try that. Okay, you will see in the screen the sizes will change. Please set that to 0.3. again LTS, enter. 0.3. You can change it in the command line. Only you have to use is LTS and hit enter. You will get the editor. Okay, then now I have drawn our center lines. Now I am going to draw these two circles. For that, first I am going to use in here center diameter circle, and then go to this intersection. Go to this intersection and click, and then I give my diameter in outer circle, that is 28 millimeters. And then I'm going to draw the inner circle. Inner circle is diameter is 40 millimeters. For that I'm going to draw in here again. Okay, this perpendicular, I don't want that perpendicular. For check it, and the tangent we don't want that also, and midpoint we don't that also. In this we only want is the intersection method, and then I want this. Okay, center. For this circle we want the diameter as 14 millimeters, and hit enter. Okay, this is this drawn, but the what is the wrong with this sheet is this drawing is these circles are the outlines, so we have to move those into the outline layer. To do that, select those two items and simply click OL. Now your components in the outline layer, and then I want to copy this and this two in this place, because of the exactly same two circles places in the in here. For to do that, in here I will select this center line and I uncheck this intersection, and then please select the components what you want to copy, and then select this copy icon, this copy method. Then you have to specify a base point. The base point is simply the this center point. Then the copying point is this intersection point. To switch on that, go to here and intersection, and then again come here and you will get this intersection point, and just click it. Now your components has copied. And then again to exit this component method, component command, press escape button. And then let's draw the circles in here. To do that, the outer circle is 45 millimeters, the diameter, and to draw that, go to circle, click the center diameter, and give this intersection as the center, and the diameter is 45 millimeters, and hit enter. And the inner circle is given as radius. They gave us radius. The radius is 11 millimeters. To draw that circle, go to center radius method, and then this intersection again as the center, and hit 11 as the radius. Okay, again we have to move these circles to the outline layer. To do that, just click the outline layer. Okay, escape from this drawing layers, and then I'm going to draw this curve, and that curve is touch this circle and these circles. For to do that, and the radius is 120. To do this, I am simply go to this box and choose tan radius method, and here I'm going to choose this and this, and my cursor goes up to here, and then put the radius 120. Boom. This is the layer. This is the circle what we want. Please, I will move this picture to here. Okay, now you can see what is this. Okay, then I want to create this curve. For that, and that curve is touching this circle and this circle and this circle. To draw that, and the radius is 71 millimeters. To draw that, go to again tan radius, and select this and this. Go to mouse here and put 71. Okay, that is the those are the two curves in our component. And again we have to move these two to our outline layer. Click outline. Now we have to remove these things, these unnecessary parts. To do that, go to trim and press enter. Then you can trim all the unnecessary all the unnecessary things in our layer, in our drawing. Okay, like this we can remove. Okay, you can remove those things. For that, escape and select them and delete. Okay, we have drawn our two curves. Now in here to here it's a straight line. To draw that, please go to here and select this tangent and uncheck this center line. Okay, that is really important. And then go to our line tool, and then click this this outer circle and this circle. It will automatically draw our tangent line. Again we have to move this to our outline layer. Simple as that. Okay, almost we have drawn our image, but in here we have a rectangular rectangular shape. To draw that, we can create some construction lines. That line is located here to here, maybe 13 millimeters. The distance is 13 millimeters, and the height is 6 millimeters. To draw that, let's take offset command and enter. In here we have to draw in 3 millimeters upper and 3 millimeters below the center line, and then we have to draw this line in here in 13 millimeter distance. Okay. Then I'm going to move this line and this to our outline layers. Let's do that. Okay. Then let's trim unnecessary parts. Please select trim command and press enter. To remove other things, you can basically select those and press delete. Okay, now we have drawn our component. Let's go to dimensioning. First change our layer to dimension lines, and please, in the annotation you have to select your style, the created style for dimension. Mine is Ceyforte, and then go to linear. In here, go to linear, and first I want to draw this center to this center. For that I am going to take this point and the point here, and then I will get something like this. I will put this here, and then I want here to here from this side. For that, okay, here to here, for that it is maybe 76. Yes, 76. And then this center to this center, again linear, this center, this point to, you can get an direction from this point, that is 25. To align with this, you can drag to here and release it, and then here to here, the dimension is, let's take from here to here. Okay, like that. You can get this, and then I want to get this 24 from here to here. To obtain that, let's go again linear, and here, and then here, and you can draw as like that. And then I want to draw here to here. For that I am going to choose linear, and simply I draw these boxes, and I will get something like this. Oh, but I don't. I want to have something like this. But we gain something like this. To change that, we have to change our settings. For that, this will be the way. You have to go to annotation and go to dimension style setting box. Then we have to create a new Ceyforte new, continue. Yeah, okay. This is our new new layer style. Now what is we have to do is create again new and go to old, select in here Ceyforte new, then select linear dimensions, and here you can continue. In here you have to do is create this as centered and this horizontal. In here you have to put text in here. Let's see what happened. Let's close our linear Ceyforte. Under the Ceyforte new we have our linear style, and let's close. Let's delete this also. And here now we can change our styles in here. You can change Ceyforte, and again you can change to Ceyforte new. Okay, now I'm going to draw with Ceyforte new. Select here Ceyforte new and then go to linear, and then again let's select these points. Yeah, we have that, but the problem is this middle line. To change, to remove it, please delete. To remove it, again go to the settings and the linear, under the Ceyforte new linear, modify, and you can uncheck this box in fit. You can uncheck this box. So the settings in text, and uncheck this box, and okay. Then close. Then again set this as to Ceyforte new and go to linear and draw here to here. Yeah, that's what we exactly want. So that's the way to draw this 6 point. And then move to these circles. In here we have something like this. To obtain this, forget something like this, I'll again go to my sketch and go to annotation. I'm changing this to again Ceyforte, and go to radius, and then the inner circle is inner circle's diameter dimension is looks like something like this. I want to okay, that is diameter, so we have to change diameter. When we draw the diameter, we always get something like this. In inner we can't, that's not what we want. To change that, again we have to change settings. Sorry, that is for outer circle. We want the inner circle. That again that is the same problem. So I'm going to change it, but here I'm going to change it in the Ceyforte new settings. For that, Control Z and go to annotation, go to this dimension style layer, dimension style manager, and here Ceyforte new, then click new. Again all dimension, in this box you have to give diameter dimensions. Click that and continue. You will open this box, this is not what we want. What we want is something like something like this. For to do that, this is either text or arrows best fit, and you can simply uncheck this box and hit OK. But you will see that text is set into above the leader. To change that, modify in the text, we can centered and horizontal. Okay, then OK, close. Now we can draw. We have to change this into Ceyforte new, and now we can draw our diameter like this. Sorry, that is not the wanted circle. We want to draw inner circle, so we can draw something like this. Let's show all the inner circles looks like that. Again, this will be drawn like that. Again, this radius, this diameter will be drawn with that technique. Okay. Then this outer circle dimensioning method, it is again we have to change that, because we know when we try to draw the dimension with this Ceyforte new method, you will always get something like this, but the image does not have that. For to change that, go to annotation again and go to dimension style. If you want, we can create another style, but I recommend you to go to Ceyforte, and in Ceyforte you have diameter. Then modify it, go to fit. In here you can choose text, and then draw with dim line width. You just have to use text, then hit then go to text and center. This must be centered and horizontal, and then hit OK. Then again close. Now you have to select here Ceyforte, not the Ceyforte new, just Ceyforte. Then you can click diameter. Then you will have what is exactly we want, this. Okay, again we have to draw in here diameter, this. Then we have to draw this curve and the radius of this curve and this curve. To draw that, again when we try with Ceyforte, let's go to radius dimensioning method. You will have something like this. You will always get this line, but in the drawing you don't have that line, and also you don't have that line. Again, when we try to draw here, here you will get that, but when you try to draw this, you will get that line. To remove that, to ignore that, again we have to change settings. Go to annotation, settings, go to Ceyforte new. Again create new new layer style. In here select Ceyforte new and select the radius dimensions. and continue. In here you can change it with this. You just have to uncheck this box. Also you have to change this text style to that for that centered and horizontal, and press OK and close. Then you can again you have to select this as Ceyforte new, and then radius, and then you have what we want exactly. Like that. That will be the okay. Here we have another dimension called this small circle. To draw that, go to radius. That will be this circle. Okay, R11. Yeah, that's how the way to draw this, and hope you guys understood this, and let's meet in another video. If you have any question or doubt, please leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.